What's up, you guys? It's Abigail. First off, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. Anybody who's new, thank you so much for checking me out. And also anybody who's returning, welcome as well. I'm so glad to have you back. So I am going to just have a quick announcement. I'm going to be rebranding because originally when I chose the name Love and Laughter, it was okay and nothing bad popped up when I searched it on YouTube. But now a lot of things that I do not want you guys seeing pops up on YouTube instead of my channel, and sometimes I can't even find my channel. So I'm going to be rebranding, so thank you for sticking around for that. And yeah, it's going to be definitely changing, so that way it is easier for you guys to be able to find and share with others, which I really appreciate when you do that. And also so that way it's actually appropriate and things don't pop up that I don't want seen or to be associated with me, because that's not what I had in mind at all when I came up with this name. I just wanted to bring people joy and just like sibling love and things like that, and that's not what YouTube makes it. So I'm doing a closet transformation today, so thank you for coming. And yeah, we're just going to be doing lots of stuff, adding some shelves. I'm going to add some shelves like right here and here to add more storage space, because I don't have a lot of storage space in my closet. So we're doing a closet transformation, as you could tell by the title, because I need like more shirt space and also just space for other things in general. Like I'm going to have some craft things, so that way I don't have to have them out in my room, because although my room is kind of big, I don't have a lot of storage space in it. And I don't have a very big closet, so I'm trying to make the most of my closet, because as you can see, my closet does not have a lot of space. It has up there, which those are my shoes, and then just on the ground, and then over here I have one long storage spot, but I don't have a lot of any other storage space. So I'm going to work with that and add some shelves, and I will be back to you as soon as those shelves are done. Now that we have our lovely shelves in, I think it is time to add things to it. So down here I did remove all my shirts, which I think I will be adding them back. You can see them right there. And I'm going to be putting them there. I'm going to add some craft supplies to here. And yeah, let's get organizing. I'm going to add some just hats and a scarf to this box, so that way it will change probably once it gets to the summertime, but when it's still cold and I'm using these a lot, I'm just gonna put like my winter things here but not overflow it, so you can still move this out really easily. And come to think of it, I'm going to actually add all hat types. Next, I'm going to fill this box, so I did transfer the hats up top here. I'm going to fill this box with books, because I don't know if all of you guys like to read, but I love reading, and I also just have a lot of like notebooks and stuff, so I am actually just going to be filling this with books, so that way I can just open my closet and I have all my books organized right here and don't have to look a lot of other places for them in my room. Truly, one of my favorite things about organizing is when you find things that you didn't even know you had lost, and then when you find money. I did not find money, but I found a watch that I have been missing for a while. And so I was just going through one of my purple bags to see what I could get rid of and stuff, because that's another thing I like to do when I organize. I like to purge. So right now I have all of my books right here. Then I also added my slime container because I love slime. So everything that I need to make slime, I also put down there. And then along with that, I have this organized hair container, which also has my makeup over here. Okay, so I was just going through this backpack now, and I just found $10 in the outside pocket. Like, this is amazing, and this proves why I should do deep cleaning more. It's not super deep cleaning, but I'm trying to make my room look as nice as it can, because when we add things like shelves, I want to make sure that everything else looks nice, so it's not just one part of my room. This is amazing, and I encourage you to deep clean, and comment down below what you find in your room. This is the final reveal, so the closet door is all organized. And then over here, we still have an open spot in case I want to put anything else there. I don't want to just fill it up with space, I don't want to fill up the space with just junk or whatever. And then we have some shirts, all of my shirts actually, my books, and then just like this really cute from the Minnesota Zoo, just like a little sea otter bookmark, so cute. And then I have a little reading light, so I have all my journals and books here, which are super fun. Then down here I have my slime, my nail polish, and then also right here all my hair stuff, which I love color coding it, so yeah, and then my makeup and stuff. And so that is the nice and organized area. And then I do have like all my other clothes on this side, and then my shoes up there. And up here I have like my green screen and photo umbrellas. So everything is nice and put together, and I don't have to worry about, oh, where's my photo umbrella, because they're all right there. I am hoping to be able to get a jewelry like case and put all my necklaces and stuff here, because I would also like to put those away, and they're in the middle of my room right now, and I don't like them right there. So I'm just gonna try and find like a little area. My mom has one in her room, so I'm hoping to get one. I didn't want one originally, but I want just a little area to put my jewelry and stuff, because I think that would be really cute and really nice as well. And yeah, I think I might find a different spot for my shoes or something. But yeah, that is the finished closet transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below if you want to see more of this type of video, or what your favorite type of videos are that I've made so far. I was actually thinking that since I just did the closet makeover or the closet transformation, I would go ahead and give you guys a room tour. So this is what my room looks like. I just did a major transformation of my room, so I still have stuff to take care of right there. There's like a hammock and stuff, but besides that, it's pretty nice. I have some storage area right there, some more books, my name, and a cute little octopus. And then yeah, that is my room. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Bye!